Oh, the hurt, it works out. In the world you came out.
Hey everyone, my name is Mauve. I'm a singer-songwriter, and thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've been having a wonderful week. I was just performing one of my original songs called Must Be, and today I'm also going to be trying out this pretty cool product which has been getting amazing reviews, so I want to test it out myself. This is the iMusthav facial hair remover, and it says it is fast and painless, and especially when you're dealing with removing hair from your face, you definitely want something that is comfortable and isn't going to cause any irritation whatsoever. So we are going to try it out today. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I know for myself, my skin can be very sensitive and can get red if I'm using razors or waxing, so I'm super excited to test this out. It does say it's hypoallergenic, so it's good for people with sensitive skin. And here it is. It's so cute. It's this perfect portable size that you can just throw into your purse and take with you anywhere on the go. And it also comes with charging cables, because it does have a USB rechargeable battery, which is super helpful, so you don't have to worry about changing the batteries. It's just you plug it in and you're good to go. And it also comes with this little brush just to keep it all clean. So it comes with this nice protective cap on top, and as you can see, if I turn it on, it has this little light to help illuminate your face, just so you're making sure you're going in the right spots for it to guide you. So I really like that. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, it goes on really smoothly. I like how it lights it up all the way around, which is very helpful. So let's go ahead and keep trimming the sides here. Look at that, there's no redness. It's just totally smooth. It's so quick to use. This is so professional. I love this. And in case you have any other spots too, maybe around the chin area, super easy to go over any parts of your face. Never need to go waxing ever again, because this just is so much better than all of those other hair removal methods. I also really like how precise it is. Like, you have a lot of control over it, especially with areas of your face. It's not just gonna go crazy and wreak havoc on your face. It's just very gentle. I think it's so awesome and unique how it has this dual ring floating head, which makes it really easy to glide across your skin and give you that smooth complexion. Plus, it's super easy to clean as well. You just unscrew the top off, and then you can go in with the mini brush and swipe out any of the hairs that it collected. And you can also do that for this part too. Super simple, super quick to maintain, and then you just go ahead and screw it back on and you're done. Get this for yourself, get this as a gift for a friend. They would love this, and I'm so grateful that I know about this now, because I'm just gonna be using this all the time. So thank you so much for joining me as we tested out this product together. I really encourage you to go check it out, because nothing can beat this. So thank you so much again, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.
Lux Life magazine has awarded the Global Excellence Award for the best global hair removal device to iMusthav.